Kia ora koutou, I'm Kelly Pendergrast and I'm the co-editor of More Zeros and Ones, Digital Technology, Maintenance and Equity in Aotearoa New Zealand.
And I'm Anna Pendergrast, the other co-editor. More Zeros and Ones is a follow-up to the 2020 BWB Text, Shouting Zeros and Ones, Digital Technology, Policy and Ethics in New Zealand, edited by Andrew Chen.
This book focuses on the way digital tools and platforms are designed, built and maintained. It offers some concrete advice and proposals for how we can make the digital world more equitable and sustainable, and offers some advice for how people like you and me, everyday people who use digital tools all the time, can have more of a say in how technology is designed and built.
We're thrilled to have such a great range of smart and talented people on board with chapters in this book. They look at topics from facial recognition technologies and how they can be deployed more ethically, right through to the right to repair, which is pushing for people to have the tools and the permissions they need to repair their own stuff to keep devices out of landfills for longer.
We hope this book will prompt people to look beyond the shiny surfaces of new technologies and devices and to think about the way that tech development is shaped by people, institutions, and economic systems. We know there's plenty of bad news out there, but we really hope that this book will be empowering, provocative, and useful for anyone that picks it up.